Look at you. Careful. Yep, it goes down there, so be careful. Step. Gets real skinny there, huh? Put your arms back out. Give you balance. Good job, you got it. One foot in front of the other. And then can you jump down into the ground? Not there.